To clean or replace the air filter on your Sportsman 6X6, follow these steps. Place the transmission in park. Lock the parking brake. Pull up on the cargo box lever and tilt the cargo box. Remove the seat by lifting straight up on the rear of the seat and sliding the seat out towards the rear of the vehicle. Clean the area around the air filter cover. Release the airbox cover clamps and remove the airbox cover. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Loosen the clamp and remove the air filter. Remove the pre-filter from the air filter and inspect the pre-filter. Inspect the main filter and replace if necessary. Notice, in dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Do not attempt to clean the air filter with compressed air. If the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the filter. Wipe down the airbox thoroughly. Caution: dirt or debris in the airbox could result in severe engine damage. Always clean all dirt and debris from the airbox before installing the filter. Clean the pre-filter with soapy water and allow it to air dry. Install the pre-filter on the main filter. Be sure the screen covers the entire surface of the main filter without folds, creases, or gaps. Install the main air filter in the airbox and ensure it is fully seated. The filter should rest on the filter supports. Proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use a Polaris approved replacement filter. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. Tighten the clamp and torque to specification. Reinstall the airbox cover and clamp the fasteners. Reinstall the seat and latch the cargo box. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.